Good morning. I am from Mrs. N. Preeti, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis. Today we are going to discussion about aluminum hydroxide. In that aluminum hydroxide means examples of antacids. Already last classes we already discussed sodium bicarbonate. That's also examples of antacids only. Now we are going to discussion about aluminum hydroxide. In that what are the examples are present in antacids means first one is sodium bicarbonate, second one is sodium hydroxide, third one is magnesium hydroxide, fourth one is milk of magnesia, fifth one is calcium carbonate. In that today we are going to discussion about aluminum hydroxide. That aluminum hydroxide means what are the molecular formula of aluminum hydroxide means AiOH. In that alcohol three hydroxyl alcohol groups present in three alcohols present in that AA. Okay, what is the molar mass of aluminum hydroxide means 78 in 78 gram per mole. The synonym of aluminum hydroxide means what are all the synonyms means hydrated alumina, orthoaluminic acid, aluminic acid. The three one synonym of aluminum hydroxide. The structure of this is aluminum hydroxide. In that Ai will be center, three hydroxyl group will be present. What are the properties of aluminum hydroxide? In that aluminum hydroxides will appearance means white amorphous powder. This water will be odorless. Taste also tasteless. What are the density of aluminum hydroxide means 2.42 gram per centimeter cube. The melting point of aluminum hydroxide 300 degree Celsius. Solubility means practically insoluble in water and alcohol, both insoluble in both water and alcohol, and water soluble in the dilute mineral acid and solution of alkali hydroxide. Aluminum hydroxide will soluble in mineral acid and alkali hydroxide. How it will be prepared the aluminum hydroxide? In that it is prepared by a hard solution of potash alum slowly with constant stirring to a hard solution of sodium carbonate. It is already prepared potash hard solution of potash alum. Slowly we can add to sodium carbonate solutions. It will be getting aluminum hydroxide. The reactions will be given below. In this sodium carbonate will react with potassium aluminum sulfate and water. It will give sodium sulfate and potassium sulfate. After that aluminum hydroxide will be give. After that the carbon dioxide will be eliminated. This is the reactions of aluminum hydroxide. Next, uses of aluminum hydroxide means what are and all the uses of present in aluminum hydroxides. Suppose aluminum salts remain in the stomachs for long periods and slowly react with stomach acid to form a aluminum chloride. Also productive basic aluminum hydroxide of sulfate sucrose is also known as sucral fat. Okay, in that sucral fat in market we can available for syrup sucral fat, which is used as a productive. Sucral fat is minimally absorbed after oral administrations. Action is entirely local only. It promotes healing of both duodenal and gastric ulcers. Suppose sucral fat when we will take means before meals. Aluminum hydroxide side effects. What are another side effects are present in aluminum hydroxide means first one is constipations. Second one is osteomalacia. Osteomalacia means softening of the bones, typically through a deficiency of vitamin D or calcium soluble appearance by interfering with PO43 absorptions. Decreased absorptions of some drugs. Suppose it will be given tetracyclines and other antibiotics we will take and means that absorption will be decreased. Dose means 500 to 600 milligram orally 4 to 6 times a day needed between meals at bedtime. Water and all the storage means stored in well closed containers and should not be allowed to freeze. Okay, thank you.